Worklist is a new service on the e-filing portal which enables various users of the e-filing portal to view and act on pending action items post-login. As a CA using the Worklist service, you have access to the facilities shown on screen. In this video, you will learn how to use these facilities. After logging into the e-filing portal, go to the Pending Actions menu and select Worklist. On the Worklist page, you will see two different tabs, For Your Action and For Your Information. The tab For Your Action contains pending items that you need to follow up and take appropriate action upon. By clicking the buttons on pending action items, you will be taken to the respective e-filing service. Once you take appropriate action on the pending item, that item is moved to the For Your Information tab. The items under this tab can only be viewed or downloaded, but not actioned. Observe how action items are addressed using the Worklist service. Under the For Your Action tab, Client Request List is where you will see the client requests received and pending for acceptance. Click Accept or Reject to take action. On success, this item is removed from For Your Action to For Your Information, Client Request Details. If request is revoked by the assessee, you will see its details here, with status showing request revoked by assessee. If your period of authorization as a CA expires before accepting or rejecting the client request, the request details will be seen with the status period of authorization expired. Under Forms Request List, you will see the form requests received and pending for acceptance. Click Accept or Reject on the form to take action. If you accept the request, the form is moved to pending for filing or pending for verification under For Your Action, depending upon the form type. If you reject the request, you'll need to provide a reason for rejection, and this form will move to the For Your Information tab. You can view all form requests at a glance by clicking View All. You have the option of exporting details of the forms pending with you to Excel. If the assessee revokes this request using the MyCA service, this item shows with the status updated as Request Revoked by Assessee. Under Pending for Filing, you will see the form filing requests received and accepted, but pending for filing. Click File Form to take action. You can file a new form or edit the previously filed form, using online or offline submission mode. Then, you need to e-verify the form using DSC. Click Continue. On success, this item will move to For Your Information, Uploaded Form Details, where it will be pending acceptance by the assessee. Under Pending for Verification, you will see the forms pending for verification. Click Verify Form or Reject Form. If you reject the form, you'll have to provide a reason for doing so. If you click Verify Form, you will be taken to the form page. Click Preview. Then, on the form preview page, click Proceed to e-verify. You can then e-verify the form using DSC. After you successfully verify the form, this item will move to Uploaded Form Details under For Your Information. Under Pending Requests to add you as authorized representative, you will see the requests pending for acceptance. Click Accept or Reject to take action. If you click Accept, you need to upload the Power of Attorney document, PDF up to 5 MB. Then click the Declaration checkbox and verify your request using DSC. If you click Reject, you have to provide a reason for rejection and e-verify your request using DSC. On success, the request will move to Received Authorized Representative Requests under For Your Information. Use the Worklist service to keep track of the items pending for your action. Connect with us for more information.